While I had the rear subframe assembled to this point, I decided to put it back underneath the car because I had cleaned the underside this morning. I was happy with how that turned out, so I thought what better time to put it in than right now. With the subframe partially assembled like this without the wheel carriers on the sides, it's actually incredibly easy to install. I think I'm going to do it this way in future, because those things are large, particularly when the brake shields are installed. They end up dragging on the ground, getting scratched, making a lot of noise, etc. Whereas this method is perfect. As you can see, it just slides straight in, nothing is in the way, and it's an absolute piece of cake to install. Just align it with the 4 mounting points and lift it up. What is not shown is that I installed that rear sway bar. I did forget about that and started to install the subframe and thought, oh, for fuck's sake, and had to drop it again and start over again. There's no point showing you that, it's just a waste of time. But this is the subframe lifted into position now and bolted in. It really is that easy. It's just a case of feeding in the ABS wiring now into the bottom of the car behind the back seat. In hindsight, I think that using red heat shrink on the end of that harness that I've made was a bad idea. I forgot that the fuel pump wiring is identified by the red sleeving on the end of its harness. So it was really a dumb mistake to put red heat shrink on the end of that. And some water did leak in to the interior when I was pressure washing because of that grommet being missing. I did dry that out. You can see there the incorrect color at the end. These are aftermarket ABS brand parking cables. I'm not happy that they've got plastic ends on them, but it is what it is. I should have used genuine. They're actually the same price, but this is what I could get at the time. So they're installed and ready to go. I can't really do much else with that subframe until I get the flanges, and then I can really put it back together. So I might just do some more cleaning tomorrow, and that's it.